Noticing your hair getting a little thinner as the years go by? It's a common concern, and you're definitely not alone in experiencing these changes. Or maybe it's falling a bit flat, lacking that bounce and vitality it once had, and you're wondering, what happened to my full head of hair? It can be frustrating to see these changes, but there are solutions. Don't worry, trust me, you're not alone. Many women experience changes in their hair texture and volume as they age. It's a natural part of life. As we get older, it's completely normal for our hair to change. These changes can be due to a variety of factors, including hormonal shifts, genetics, and even environmental influences. But here's the good news. You can make your hair look thicker and more vibrant, restoring some of that youthful bounce and shine, without any fancy extensions or dramatic tricks. We're talking about simple, effective techniques that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. First up, let's talk about volume. Achieving that coveted volume doesn't have to be a challenge. The secret weapon? A good volumizing spray. These sprays are designed to add lift and body without weighing your hair down, or mousse, right at the roots before you blow dry. This is where the magic happens, creating a foundation of volume that lasts. It's light, it lifts, and best of all, your hair won't feel stiff or sticky. Nobody wants that crunchy, unnatural feeling. I like to spritz a little at the crown, focusing on the area where you want the most lift. Work it in with my fingers, gently massaging the product into your scalp to stimulate blood flow and encourage even distribution. And then blow dry my hair using a round brush. The round brush helps to lift the hair at the roots, amplifying the volumizing effect. You'll be amazed at how much fuller it looks. It's a simple technique that can make a significant difference in the overall appearance of your hair. Here's another simple switch. Change your part. It's a quick and easy way to add instant volume and create a fresh new look. If you've been wearing your hair the same way for ages, sticking to the same part day after day, try flipping your part to the other side. This instantly lifts the hair that's been weighed down in its usual position. Sounds small, but it instantly adds lift, creating the illusion of more volume at the roots, and makes your hair look like it has so much more body. It's a subtle change that can make a big impact. I was surprised the first time I tried it. It's one of those simple tricks that you'll wish you'd known sooner. Want even more volume? For those days when you want to take your hair to the next level, there's another technique you can try. Grab a comb and gently tease the top section of your hair. This is a classic technique for adding volume at the roots. Just a little back combing near the roots, focusing on the areas where you want the most lift, and then smooth over the surface. This will conceal the teasing and create a polished, voluminous look. It only takes a minute, but it can really boost that fullness at the crown. It's a great way to add instant volume and create a more youthful appearance. And if you like a fresh cut, a visit to your stylist can work wonders for adding volume and movement. Ask your stylist for some layers. Layers are a fantastic way to add dimension and create the illusion of thicker hair. Layered hair adds movement, preventing your hair from looking flat and lifeless, and creates the illusion of thickness. The different lengths of the layers create the appearance of more volume and texture. Even a few face-framing layers can make a world of difference. They can soften your features and add a touch of youthful energy to your look. Now let's talk about something you might not expect. Your diet. What you eat plays a crucial role in the health and appearance of your hair. Healthy hair starts from the inside, so nourishing your body with the right nutrients is essential for strong, vibrant hair. So make sure you're eating foods rich in protein, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are vital for hair growth and overall hair health. Eggs, a great source of protein and biotin. Salmon, packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Leafy greens. These are all great choices. They're rich in vitamins and minerals that promote healthy hair growth. Your hair will thank you. A balanced diet is the foundation for healthy, beautiful hair. So, forget about extensions or complicated routines. You don't need expensive or time-consuming treatment to achieve fuller, more vibrant hair. With a few smart tricks, a little confidence, and the right attitude, you can embrace your hair at any age. And maybe a new part, experimenting with different styles to find what works best for you. Your hair can still turn heads at any age. It's all about embracing your natural beauty and finding ways to enhance it. Remember, it's not about chasing youth, trying to look like you're 20 again. It's about feeling your best right now. Embracing your age and celebrating your unique beauty is what truly matters. Give these tips a try. Experiment with different techniques and products to see what works best for your hair type and style. And let me know how they work for you. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any other tips you might have. You might be surprised at just how fabulous your hair can look, no matter your age. With a little effort and the right techniques, you can achieve the hair of your dreams. Thanks for watching. I truly appreciate you taking the time to learn about these tips and tricks. And don't forget to celebrate every strand. Embrace your hair, love your look, and enjoy the journey of aging gracefully.